Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to change WordPress password. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So in this tutorial I will show you total 3 steps to change password. So first steps, if you are in your WordPress dashboard and you want to change your password, then click on this icon and edit profile and scroll down, and from here new password, from here you can set a new password. Click on it. So here you have to put your new password, and then click on set new password and the password will be saved. And now let's see the step 2. If you are trying to log in your WordPress dashboard but you forgot your password, then click on lost your password option, and here you have to enter your WordPress username or email address. So I'm giving my username here, get new password, and check your email for the confirmation link, then visit the login page. So now you have to open your email account and you will get a confirmation link, and open your link, and using this confirmation link you will be able to change your WordPress password. And now let's see the step 3. So suppose you forgot your WordPress password and everything, and you don't have the email access, then you have to follow this step 3 and open your hosting cpanel and click on phpmyadmin, and from here you have to open your website database. So here is my, and scroll down, then click on WP users, and now click on edit, and here you can see user password. Click here and select MD5, and now here you have to put your new password. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.